That is a path right now that I just gave you that you could do easily once a month, promote, and be able to make $50,000. Now, how do you get there? In order to get there, you can't just have a little account that's got 1,000 fans. Obviously, you got to build up some virality. So that's where the other components of this comes in. You can't just get good at creating a Faceless account. That's easy. Anybody can do that. I've got hundreds of students that have already done that. And even getting your first 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers, quite easy. It's a big difference to jump to 1.7 million. In order to do that, you're going to need virality. And virality is going to come, okay? So we're going to talk a little bit about that in a second as well. Now, what I want to do is let's go back to Canva. Let me go back to sharing my screen. And let's keep crunching. Let's keep this thing going. Okay, so that was just some examples. I could obviously go on TikTok and stuff, and we might do that if we have time today. We might look at some more examples. I'm going to spend all the way up until this clock says 6. I'm going to be spending with you. So we got plenty. We have an hour and 15 minutes more. It's pretty cool. All right, types of Faceless channels. You've got motivational and inspirational. That's kind of what we just showed you. You have viral OPC style videos. That's also what we just showed you. OPC stands for other people's content, and that is where you can basically clip stuff. You have tutorial or review videos. Again, these videos are extremely popular. We can show tons of examples on YouTube. You have B-roll story-based videos. What B-roll is those clips you saw in the background of like people running, people jogging, sunsets. But you can actually do those with AI as well. There's AI tools where you can just type in a prompt and it'll create some B-roll for you. And then listicle-style videos. Those are usually short form, but they can be long form, which would be like the top 10. If you ever see like top 10 this, top 10 this, top 10 that, those videos are generally all faceless. So an example is, I could do a simple video that would be like top 10 most expensive homes in Las Vegas. And then what I could do is I could just go on YouTube and find, I could do it, look up a listing, find the houses. They probably have YouTube videos about them. Maybe a realtor has videos about them. If not, I could probably find pictures of them on, the popular realtor sites. And in a matter of like 30 minutes, I could put together a slideshow of the top 10 most expensive homes in Las Vegas.